Hey, Sam Robinson here, and welcome to Mints App 2.0. Now, this has been a super successful app first time round that has generated a ton of leads and a ton of sales and things like that for existing customers. Now, the team behind it have spruced it up and made it even better now, which you're going to be able to see all down below on the bonus page here today. But something a lot of people have been asking me is, so what is Mints App? How does it work? Well, what it is it basically allows you to engage with your visitors like in a fresh, new way, in a quick and easy way. And it allows you to be able to use that traffic and use it to either collect leads, send it to a sales page, or wherever you want it to go in order to help drive your business online. So what I'm going to do today is just give you a quick look into what you can do with Mints App with the front end product which is on offer. There's a few upgrades as well, which you'll be able to find out once you go through the sales page and things like that. So this is the Mints App dashboard. Now I've already made a little project here in which we're going to create a poll. So we're going to quickly create a poll which you can put on your website and share over social media. It helps you to really lean on that viral traffic online because of the way it's just simply easy to use and beautiful, so it appeals to a wide range of people. So we're going to click create a poll. Okay, we're going to name this poll, we're going to call this one the fitness poll, because there's a lot of people out there, you see a lot of traffic on the internet relates to fitness. You see it all the time on websites, news sites, social media and everything like that. So we'll make a fitness poll because it's what, a lot of people can relate to. It gets to that emotional driver. So here we are, we've created the fitness poll, and you can see there's a couple of options. You can do like the classic where, the top one comes out on top. Binary poll, which is one-on-one, one versus one, or multi-poll, where you can put a whole bunch of different items out there and people can choose which one they like the best. So for this example, I'm going to use the binary poll because it's quick, it's simple, and it's easy to engage with, and it'll turn up nicely over social media. So now you can see I can build it here. I can choose my title. It says, which one do you prefer? I'm actually going to say, what do you think is most effective? Because this is a fitness related one, I'm actually going to use free weights versus machine weights as something, because there's a lot of people with this sort of stuff get quite hardy over it. So we can choose a number of images from our library if we've already got some. In this case, I'm just going to quickly grab some off Google for the sake of our demonstration. So I'm going to save the free weights. And I'm going to save an image of the machine, someone doing machine weights as well. So we'll just use this one here. And this, this would be perfect if you've got a fitness affiliate offer, or you want to drive traffic to subscribe to a newsletter or a blog. This would be perfect for that sort of stuff, and especially if you're in the fitness niche, this is actually a really good example of what you can use. So I'm going to choose an image to upload. I'm just going to upload the one that I just done. Turns out I put them on the desktop. Sorry about that. I'll go desktop and go free weights. Cool. And I will choose another one for the other side of what we're doing, which is the machine weights. Cool. So those are uploaded now. You can actually move it about. You can zoom in and out using the mouse, so you can choose the proper size. So in this case, I'm just going to grab these images and just have them just like that. That'll do for the sake of a demonstration. So that's it. So we've got two options. So we can choose. So we're going to put our categories: free weights or machine weights. Okay, so that's what they're going to have to choose from, and we can actually customize it. So you can change the text, you can change the color, you can change, you can highlight various elements, you can even change the font and things like that. So you can really customize it as much as you want. And the good thing with this is it all appears beautifully. It's a really nice, slick, easy to use app. So now that I've made those, and if you really want to, you can customize it all. For the sake of time, we won't get too carried away with it today. And so if we click on some of these options here, so once we get down to basic, you can choose what it's going to do after the person has voted. So you can encourage them to share it on Facebook and a number of social media platforms, or you can auto redirect to a URL. It could be a sales page, a squeeze page, anything like that, especially if you have an affiliate offer or something like that relating to fitness. That would be perfect. You can request to opt in if you're out to build a list using this app by sharing things virally online and through Facebook. Display a banner, or you can just do nothing if you just really wanted to make a poll. So you can see this has a number of appealing features and ways you can use that traffic and divert it to where you want it to go, because we've all been there, right? On a website where you've voted on a poll, you go through news, things like that, you vote on a poll, and next thing you know, you're looking at a product and whatnot. So this is going to be perfect for that. It's super simple to use. So in this case, we can auto redirect it to a URL. You put the URL, which could be depending which one they click on, it could actually go to a different URL. So this is perfect as well if you're offering two things for sale and you want to direct the person who clicks on what they like the most, send them to a sales page for that specific thing. So you can do that as well. And then once you've done it all, you basically just save it, you can publish it and embed it into your website. So I'm just going to leave it as it was on the standard settings right now, and I'm just going to quickly click save. Cool, so that's all saved, and you can see our fitness poll is now all saved. If we want to, we can embed that into our website. You can do iframe, so if you just want to slap some code in, perfect for WordPress sites and things like that as well. You can use that. If you have script or even just the standard link, you can use that as well. You can share it over social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. That's all very self-explanatory. And so basically that's it in a nutshell. If you are looking to create viral posts and things like that, or have polls, or be able to have something nice and fun and interactive on your website, or even be able to get it into news sites or over Facebook and social media, this is perfect. It's a solution that's already worked for many people. There's a lot of extra cool features, and there's a few extra pro features as well, which you can find out more about. So have a look down below on this bonus page. We've thrown in a ton of awesome complimentary bonuses. There's a whole bunch of product info down there, and be sure to get in during the early bird. The early bird runs it runs from 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll have a countdown timer on this page, so you're fully aware of when the next price rise is going to hit. You're going to want to get in quickly, because I know that I've seen the pricing schedule and it's set to rise pretty quickly. So get in early while it's nice and cheap, and make the most of Mint's app this year to be able to drive more traffic, get more leads, and even make sales if you want, using this fantastic platform. This is Sam Robinson, and I look forward to hearing of your success with Mint's app.